Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. And today we are opening the 69 Copo Camaro from 2022. And this is 193 out of 250. 2 out of 10 the Muscle Mania set. It comes from the International case. And it is a very cool looking car. So I will open it, I'll be right back. And that is the car right there. And it is a nice yellow color, which I love, and it rolls good as well. And it is a good resemblance of the real car, and it also has seats inside, and that was a very cool car, so remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some more awesome videos with the Justin Sphere. I will see you in another cool video.